Hi there, students. No harm, no foul. Okay, you know when somebody's apologizing profusely for something and you want to tell them it's okay, don't worry about it, it's not a problem. Then you can say, no harm, no foul, it's not a problem. I'm really sorry I knocked your glass over. I'm terribly, terribly sorry. No harm, no foul. It was empty anyway. I'm really, really sorry I arrived late. I know I said I would get here on time, but the traffic was terrible. No harm, no foul. Okay, there was no bad outcome. Nothing bad actually happened. So then there's no need to for you to get upset about it. Yeah, a foul, for example, in football, when a player does something illegal, there's a foul, and there's some sort of punishment to pay, or maybe even a penalty. Yeah, and this is the idea. Yeah, you've done nothing that caused any lasting problem or any lasting harm, so no problem, no foul. Okay, this is a nice, easy way to tell somebody, relax, it's okay, it's not a problem. What you did is really not that serious. It's not going to make me upset, and I'm not angry about it. Yeah. So the next time somebody's apologizing profusely about something that's, well, not really relevant or not very important, then you can use this phrase, no problem, no foul. Okay, so you should try it, particularly in the UK, because the Brits are always apologizing for everything. Sorry, 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 sorry. Yeah, and therefore no problem, no foul. This is quite or no harm, no foul, I should say. Yeah, no harm. Harm is damage. No damage done, nothing lasting done. I would have to say this is a fairly informal phrase. I think it might be more American than British, but you could certainly say it in British English and be well understood. Okay, so no harm, no foul. Don't worry, it's not that serious. Calm down. There's no need for you to be upset about it. Yeah, you didn't break anything. You didn't do anything seriously wrong. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I bumped into you. I jogged your arm. No problem, no foul. Just take it easy. It's just not a problem. Okay, so formality. I'm going to give it a 3 in formality. I would use it in an informal conversation. You might just use it in a semi-formal conversation, but certainly no more. So, no harm, no foul. No problem, no foul. I've been using that phrase quite a lot within the video as well. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. No harm, no foul.